Hello students, welcome to our channel Education with Sri Vidya. Today I am going to teach you a class 8 rational numbers introduction. So let us start first the introduction part of rational numbers. And if the friends among all you friends did shopping and you guys went to a shop and you liked one pen, suppose this is a marker, you like one marker, feel that you like one marker, so you want to purchase a pack of it, one packet of markers, one packet. So you like the markers 1 2 3 4 5. So in a package there are 5 markers in it. 1 2 3 4 5 5 markers present in it, and the shopkeeper told you the price of 22 rupees. So the total packet price is 22 rupees. This packet price is 22 rupees. Now how could you find out the each pen cost, each marker cost? So you need to do is a division, right? So 22 divided by 5. So to know the cost of each pen, each marker. So 5, 22, 5 fours, 20. Now 2 will be the balance, 0.0, 5 fours, 20. So 4.4. So 4.4. So right, 4.4. So is there any natural number to represent this cost? Children, there is nowhere a natural number to represent. So no. So is there any whole number or integer to represent this? No. So this number cannot be represented by a whole number. So we need a fractional number to represent this. So the definition of a rational number is the numbers which are expressed in the form of P by Q. So P divided by Q. Here P, the value of a P may be either positive value or it may be negative value, and Q which is not equals to 0. So where P and Q are integers and Q is not equals to 0 are called as rational numbers. So which is in the form of P by Q, and these rational numbers have been denoted by capital Q. And few of the examples of rational numbers are 2 by 7, 3 by 4. Here we can see the positive, it may be a positive value, a P may be either positive or a negative, children, and Q, this is not equals to 0. So this is in the form of P by Q. Here rational numbers. Here are few examples given for rational numbers. First, let us discuss operations of rational numbers first. So we have, as you all knew that very well, there are 4 basic type of operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So as usually we have 4 operations on rational numbers also. We will discuss one by one. So let us take one addition of rational numbers example. So we'll try to solve this. 8 by 5 plus 30 by 7. So these both are in the form of P by Q, children. So how to solve this? Let us see. And denominators, it is given as 5 and 7. So let us find the LCM of 5 and 7. So directly we can write, because there is no LCM is equals to 5 into 7, 35. So 5 and 7 LCM is 35. Now let us do the first term. So 8 by 5 we must do with the LCM, and then first denominator we should divide with the LCM part. So denominator, what is there in the first term denominator? 5. So let us divide 5 with the 35. 5 sevens are 35. So after denominator, one thing you keep it in mind, children, denominator division. Denominator division. So I'll write here denominator division. So keep this in mind particularly. Numerator multiply. Numerator multiply. Most of the kids are unable to do this procedure, unable to follow this procedure because of this. This, if you keep it in mind blindly, denominator if you do division, and whatever we got here, so this to be multiplied with the numerator. So 8. 7 8s are 56. Plus, and the same procedure applied for the second term also, and divide, denominator should be divided, 7 and 35 to be divided. 7 5s are 35. And what is the next one we need to do? Numerator to be multiplied and this 30 to be multiplied. Now 35s are 150. Now you both add this 150 plus 56. 5 plus 5 10, 206. 206. So here 206 is a total, children, and then denominator will be as it is. That is the LCM which we got will be as it is. So let us recapitulate once again. So finding of LCM for 5 and 7 for the denominators, and then take the first term as usually and divide the denominator with the division. So divide the denominator with the LCM, and then whatever the answer we got, that should be multiplied with the numerator. And next the same procedure, then whatever we got, that should be added. So this is what the addition of rational numbers. Let us take one more example of rational numbers related to subtraction, children. So 13 by 8 minus 9 by 10. The same procedure follows to either to addition or for subtraction too. So find out the LCM of 8 and 10. So 8 and 10. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4 and 5 remains as it is. 2 1s, 5 1s. 2 2s, LCM is equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. 2 2s 4, 4 2s 8, 8 5s are 40. So 40 is the LCM over here. Now I am writing over 40. Now what you should do? So denominator, for the denominator you should do division, and 8 divided by 40. 8 5s are 40. So denominator division is successfully completed. Now the next step is you need to multiply. You need to multiply with this. 5 3 is 15, 5 1s are 5, 6 65, 13 5s are 65 minus 10 40. 10 4s are 40. Now what you should do? You need to multiply this. 9 4s 36. Now 60 out of 65, if you subtract 36, 15 minus 6, 15 minus 6 9, and 5 minus 3 2, 29 by 40. Did you understood, children? So children, let us take one example of multiplication. So both the numerators to be multiplied, product of numerators divided by product of denominators. Product of denominators. So product of numerators 2 multiplied by 5 divided by product of denominators 3 multiplied by 7. So 2 5 10, 3 7 21. So this is the answer sheet. So hence we can conclude that multiplication of rational numbers is more easier than addition and subtraction. So children, let us take one division example, and division is opposite to multiplication, we all know that. So if we reverse the symbol, reverse this, if we keep this multiplication in place of division, if we are placing over multiplication symbol, this numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator, right? So 2 by 3 will become reverse 3 by 2. And the same as usually, product of numerators divided by product of denominators. 8 3 is 24, 5 2 is 10. Okay children? So children, if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. For more videos, don't forget to comment how was the video.